Welcome once again. Today, we're diving into the art of managing background music in your videos. We won't delve too deeply into the technicalities, as there are many aspects to consider. Instead, I'll guide you through the basics of uploading and balancing your music with your voice. If you've already uploaded a video with the original voice and background music, you may have noticed that the music volume tends to overshadow your voice. To address this, locate the central line in the music track and simply drag it down. It's crucial to keep your music volume low when you have original voice in a video. Next, grab the pen tool. Zoom into the timeline and meticulously mark the spaces where there's no voice. These are the moments where the music volume should be adjusted. Whenever you have original voice, use the pen tool to drag down the corresponding part of the music track. Keep an eye on the timeline, and you'll notice that whenever you pause or stop talking, the music volume tends to rise. Be proactive in adjusting these sections by dragging them down using the pen tool. Now, let's see the result of your efforts. Play back the video and ensure that the balance between your voice and the background music is just right. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insightful tips and tutorials.